Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm going to be tackling a transmission change in this 2500 Dodge Ram. This is the 68 RFE transmission, and yeah, this thing's a monster. Taking the rear drive line off. So I will set the phone up over here and start taking some bolts out. Looks like there's some glue Loctite on there, so hey, good. Thought that would have had to have been hammered off of there, but I guess not. Just slipping right out of there. So cover the camera, that's great. But yeah, just slips right out of there. Nice. Let's get this thing out of the way. Okay. There's that. I think maybe I should finish pulling out a couple of the connectors. Move some of these tools back a little bit. Okay, so I figured it out. You're just supposed to push this down further so that that little thing can slide out of that groove. And dang, that would not be a fun plug-in to break. I'd have to replace the whole wiring harness. But I think I gotta disconnect one of these little things. Usually just push it up. There. So just pop right out. Unplug that one. The transfer case. And there's quite a few of these wires here. Just not very fun to pull out. Yeah. The bigger pliers would help. Take the needle nose?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I need him. He's replacing some control arms over on his car. And I'm doing this crazy thing. Here. Thanks. Yeah, that's what we're working on.
Is that a brand new oil can?
Yeah, I think so. I put it on though. Okay, well, that's broken. I hate those plugins.
Do you need those? Oh, I need them back.
Yeah, here.
Thank you.
Okay. Almost think that's all of the wires. But I need to go around and double check. All these connectors, man. Freaking pain in the ass to pull out. Yeah, they basically always just break. I don't know if there's some kind of a technique to get those out, but you can buy this little kit from O'Reilly's that has all those. Oh, hold on. I think I just need a little screwdriver. No, they're actually supposed to unwrap. That's, oh, jeez. Yeah, I think you're just supposed to. Okay, well, we're all learning here. So transmission is coming. So I think I'm gonna have to get new connectors for all these anyway. Holy amateur hour. Damn. That thing is in there. Jeez. Those things are tougher than they look. But, let's see, there's one more wire going on that side. Looks like there's a little tube. Pull that off. These pliers. Okay. Just got this little guy.
Under glove removed.
What?
Under glove removed.
Okay. Okay, now we gotta pull this little line off of there. I don't think I backed it off far enough. Oh well. Where's those needles? It's gonna be a long video. Wiring harness is almost disassembled. Now we gotta take these guys off. Looks like there's one more up in there. Pull that one off. And we'll take those lines off next. Okay, I think I have a plan. I'm going to take this cross member bar out, and then this will drop down, and I won't have to worry about taking the back off. It'll probably be better. It'll probably come right off once this drops down. So I'm going to work on this cross member, which means I'm going to have to put the jack under here to support this tranny. Okay, so I will get that under there. Okay, so I'm going to be taking these off, and that should separate the transmission from this cross member. And then, yeah, should be pretty easy to get those off of there. Looks like, let's say 5/8. Let's try to grab 5/8. These wrenches. Timu. Let's see how they work. Never used it before. I'm pretty sure that is the exact fit. I'm trying not to bust a knuckle here. Get another wrench on there for a little breaker. Probably shouldn't be using a gear wrench for this, but let's try it. And it works. The Timu wrenches. I did the easy one first, of course. Yo, can you go grab me some of that PB has? PB. PB, guys, not PV.
Where are you?
It's underneath the, there's one more kind of hidden up there. You can't really see it. But I think I'm gonna have to get a smaller wrench on there to break it off. Thanks. This stuff makes it a little easier. If I don't spray it all over the whole truck, jeez. Just get this up there. Yeah. Let that soak in for a second. Come off there easier. Clean some of these tools out of the way and then we'll be back. Okay guys, so I think we're ready for these. A little bit too much on my first one, juice. So alright. Let that soak in for a minute. And then we will put the big boy to it. Okay. There it is. Transmission is. Yep. That was almost too easy. I think I'm gonna be investing in one of these. I need to get a wrench to hold the, because it's spinning. So it's probably 21. Should be 21. There's a third. Wait, what? Why is there metric and that's weird. Smaller than the side. Might hold it. Let's see. I will. Okay. So, sorry, it's kind of hard videoing and around under here. So let's smash these wires. Sweet. Perfect. One bolt. I don't think we'll lose these, but we will put them in the bolt. What the? Az, why'd you put this in there?
What?
That's my bolt bin. Okay, last one. Now, let's see this thing out. And there she dropped. Let's go. Now, just gotta pull it out of there. Take off the transmission lines. Maybe organize some tools, because it's got a little chaotic under here. But, should have it out of here soon. But I think the hard part is still coming. Okay guys, I just found out this thing does not have a slow release. It's a good thing it's got these little safety things, because this thing almost dropped on me. Come here. That's a little. Okay, so to get to the transfer case bolts, we got to take out these little guys. And she's out of the way. looks like this bolt there and around there. So I will get those out. This is gonna work or not, but he's here! Danny boy! Let's go! Say hello to the YouTube!
Where's your tire block, bro?
Right there. Okay guys, it is out of there. Let's hope I don't drop on myself. Oh, that's some oil under there. Great. Oh, no, not at the back.
How's it going?
It's heavy! Okay, I think that's all the oil. Oh, okay guys. Oil comes out both ends. So, that's a mess.
We're good.
Okay. Let's get some of those rags. Got a little stuck here.
Excuse me.
Oh shoot. No! Okay guys. Driveway is gonna need a little pressure wash.
You know, it keeps the dust down.
I
Nice.
did not think there was that much fluid in there, guys. Holy.
You know what? Mission successful. You're still leaking a little bit.
Okay, well, we got it off at least. So if you guys ever do this,
Just drain your transfer case and drain your transmission fluids first.
yeah, this is an amateur video, so.
This is what not to do.
Yeah.
If you want to know what to do, watch the other guy's channel. If you want to know what not to do, watch our channel. So transfer case is off. The next step is you take this little block off plate, and then we have a little tool that goes in there. It's an engine bar over tool, and you use that to spin the transmission so that you can access the torque converter bolts and pull them off, and basically unbolt and separate the flex plate from the torque converter.
Okay guys, so this is the special tool we're gonna be using to,
Engine bar over tool.
yeah, that. So, if you do this job, you will need one of these.
Amazon, $8.
Yeah. Amazon's got
Or
everything.
Cummins, $85.
Okay. So, we are working on getting that cover off so we can access the flex plate. I think they're...
I did it. Almost out.
Oh.
You can go back in with it and then like suck that nut up and then rattle the gun out. The socket off of that.
Extension, man.
The wobbler's giving you a flaky commitment.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Okay, one last.
That one's got to come a little bit more. And then before you go all the way out with this one's in, just put a little bit of forward pressure on that, because if it slides out, it will drop.
Okay.
All right, that's it. You got all of these three? Okay. All right.
I think it's ready to come out.
Next step, clear all your workspace so the jack can roll freely. And
We got one that's binding under here.
we missed a bolt.
No, it's just not out all the way.
Oh, go up with your jack.
I did. I think it's got too much pressure up on it.
Keep going up with it. There you go. Now just wiggle it a little bit. Can I reach it or no?
It's up high.
Oh.
Starter. It's a success, guys. We got her down. No issues. except for a little bit of oil dripping again.
Barely.
But
It's dust control.
let's go. That is how you take out the 68 RFE. Well, maybe not how to, but amateur style.